Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to set up your billing alert. For that you need to log into your console and go to your account, and in that give billing dashboard. So in billing dashboard, in left side you need to go billing preference. In billing preference, if you want to receive the invoice as the PDF format, check this box. And if you want to alert with the free tier usage, check this box. And you need to give your email ID here where the documents will be sent. And if you want to detailed billing alert, you can turn on this option. And in this you can choose any of your buckets and give next, and give the configuration, so that your detailed billing details will be stored here. And don't forget to give save preference, so this will save your billing alert details. Like this you need to enable. If you like this video, give thumbs up. Thanks for watching.